The early bird catches the worm. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. The saying, "The early bird catches the worm," holds a significant meaning in our daily lives. It emphasizes the importance of being proactive and seizing opportunities before anyone else. By rising early and planning ahead, we can increase our chances of success and achieve our goals. This proverb also teaches us the value of time management and discipline. It encourages us to develop a consistent routine and prioritize our tasks effectively. As we apply this principle to our lives, we not only enhance our productivity, but also develop a competitive edge. By being the early bird, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and stay ahead of the game. So let us embrace the wisdom of this age-old proverb and strive to be the early bird that catches the worm of success. Being an early bird not only helps us in our personal and professional lives, but also contributes to our overall well-being. Waking up early allows us to kickstart our day on a positive note, giving us ample time to exercise, meditate, or engage in activities that promote self-care and mental wellness. Additionally, it enables us to avoid the stress and rush that often accompany waking up late. Moreover, being the early bird grants us the opportunity to be more organized and efficient. With a head start, we can plan our day, set realistic goals, and allocate time for important tasks. This proactive approach allows for better time management and reduces the chances of feeling overwhelmed or falling behind schedule. Furthermore, being early not only helps us seize opportunities, but also fosters a sense of discipline and perseverance within us. It teaches us the importance of consistency and dedication in achieving our aspirations. By waking up early consistently, we develop a habit of being proactive, which can breed success in various aspects of our lives. In conclusion, the saying, "The early bird catches the worm," holds immense relevance in our modern lives. The lessons it imparts, such as proactivity, time management, and discipline, can greatly contribute to our personal growth and success. So let's embrace the wisdom of this age-old proverb and strive to be the early birds that catch not only the worms of success, but also the worms of happiness and fulfillment. Rising early and being proactive allows us to make the most of our day and increase our chances of success. By seizing opportunities before others do, we can stay ahead of the game and achieve our goals. Additionally, being an early bird promotes self-care, mental wellness, and overall well-being. It enables us to be more organized, efficient, and disciplined in our pursuits. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.